Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words snack, snuck, and snark. Let's look at each one individually. Snack, noun or verb. Noun, a small amount of food eaten between meals. Verb, to eat a snack. For example, I was always keeping a healthy snack in my bag. She tends to snack on fruits in the afternoon. Snuck, verb, past tense, and past participle of sneak. Moved or went in a quiet or stealthy manner. For example, he snuck out of the house after midnight. The cat has snuck into the kitchen again. Snark, noun or verb. Noun, sarcastic or mocking speech or writing. Verb, to make snide and sarcastic comments. For example, her review was full of snark and biting criticism. He tends to snark at everything I say. To summarize, snack refers to a small amount of food or the act of eating between meals. Snuck is the past tense and past participle of sneak, indicating stealthy movement. Snark relates to sarcastic or mocking speech or writing. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.